The versatile beauty of Lantana Camara, Uganda's flora treasure. Nestled within the vibrant landscapes of Uganda, the Lantana Camara, known locally for its resilience and beauty, stands as a testament to nature's splendor, with its cluster of delicate, mouth-colored flowers ranging from soft pinks and purples to bright yellows and whites. This plant does not only enhances the artistic appeal of the environment but also offers numerous benefits to humans and the ecosystem. Ecological benefits. Biodiversity support. Lantana Camara plays a crucial role in supporting local biodiversity. Its bright, nectar-rich flowers attract a wide variety of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds birds. By providing a reliable food source, it helps maintain healthy pollinator pollinations, which are essential for the pollination of many other plants and crops. Soil conservation. The plant's robust root system is highly effective in preserving soil erosion, especially in regions prone to heavy rains. It stabilizes the soil, reducing the loss of fertile topsoil and maintaining the integrity of the land. This makes it particularly valuable in agriculture areas where soil conservation is crucial. Human benefits. Medicinal uses. Lantana Camara has been traditionally used in herbal medicines for various ailments. Its leaves and flowers contain compounds with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Local communities often use extracts from the plants to treat respiratory infections, skin conditions, and wounds. Ornamental value. Beyond its ecological and medicinal benefits, Lantana Camara is widely appreciated for its ornamental value. It is commonly planted in gardens and public spaces, where its vibrant blossoms add a splash of color and attract wildlife. Its ability to thrive in diverse conditions make it a popular choice for landscaping projects. Environmental adaptability. Lantana Camara is renowned for its adaptability to different environmental conditions. It can thrive in both arid and humid climates, making it a versatile species in Uganda's varied landscape. However, it is important to manage its growth carefully, as it can become invasive in certain areas, potentially outcompeting native species. As we conclude, in Uganda, the Lantana Camara is more than just a beautiful plant. It is a vital component of the national ecosystem, contributing to biodiversity, soil conservation, and human health. Its presence in gardens and wild spaces alike highlights the intricate balance between nature and nature, as well as human well-being. By appreciating and managing this plant responsibly, we can harness its benefits while preserving the rich biodiversity that defines Uganda's natural heritage. Preserve and protect nature.